So you still stand? Such stubbornness is futile.
Sasuke!
Oh, Karin.
I know where Danzo is!
Good. Take me there.
What about Jugo and Suigetsu?
Forget them. Danzo first.
What? Sasuke, something's wrong.
Quickly.
Yes.
Boss!
Quick! After Sasuke! Lord Ao, would you please tell us whether the Hokage's visual jutsu is still engaged or not?
Not. Right now, even his chakra network is quiet. The jutsu is undone.
Lord Hokage, ninjutsu is prohibited in this room. You have lost our trust.
Any time now. Here he is.
So you're Danzo.
You must be Sasuke Uchiha. I am impressed you made it this far. However, your incursion ends here. I cannot let you go any further.
My business is only with Danzo. All others should leave now.
No, you have no business with us. We have business with you. I will exact payment with my blade for the mayhem you have caused.
It's time.
Sasuke! Danzo's getting away!
After him!
You will not escape!
I did not wish to exacerbate things, but this chaos must come to an end at once. Lord Mifune, I am here to help.
I am grateful, Lady Mizukage.
What about the Tsuchikage?
My back. This could be trouble.
What do we do, Sasuke? The odds are obviously against us.
You just concentrate on tracking Danzo's chakra. I'll take care of anyone who gets in our way. Right now, all I care about is Danzo.
Right.
Now here we go. Your life ends here.
Mission start.
Karin, find me a path through to Danzo.
I won't let you escape! You will perish!
Dory free!
Villain, accept your punishment.
Dory free! Dory free!
No! Where has Jugo got to now?
Dory free!
Villain, accept your punishment.
For me. Dory free!
My blade with your blood.
For me. Dory free! For me.
Your lives now belong to me.
Dory free! Don't think you can escape from me, Danzo. Dory free! Everyone keeps getting in my way. Dory free!
Sasuke, what an outrageous guy.
Villain, accept your punishment.
No mercy.
Amaterasu! Everyone keeps getting in my way.
You have skill, but that does not mean we will yield.
Sasuke, now head for the exit! This door won't budge! We'll have to find a way around.
Don't think you can escape from me, Danzo.
The situation is do or die, isn't it?
The exit has been blocked. You're trapped like rats.
What was that? What's this weird woman doing here?
When I look at you closely, you're quite fetching, you Uchiha.
Don't get in the way.
Such a fine man. What a waste. I'll at least give you a kiss that will melt you into nothing.
Don't make eyes at him, you old bag! Sasuke, ignore this oversexed bag! Hurry up!
Impossible. You can't escape from here. Not before you've defeated me, that is. It's just me and you, in a battle all our own.
Hey, you! How dare you ignore me like that?
I have no intention of sparing you, though it pains my heart to watch such a handsome man melt away to nothingness. I'm going to finish you.
How do you like this?
Just try it. I have no time to waste here.
Paper style solid ball jutsu!
These guys are annoying.
How do you like this? How do you like this? Take this! How do you like
Is
this?
the Mizukage really this weak?
Take this!
No mercy. Amaterasu!
I have no time to waste here.
This boy is remarkable.
I suppose it's time I stepped in. Clear the way, Mizukage. I will fight him.
Understood. I'll leave it to you.
Sasuke, it looks like the way is clear.
Out of the way, Karin. I'm going to blast the door.
That's a door I specially crafted. You will never break it down.
You did, huh? So that means if I defeat you, it'll fall, right?
Precisely. Though it's impossible for you to defeat me. I can't believe that brat took down Deidara.
This guy.
I've got no grudge against you. But all ninja are after your head. So, goodbye.
I don't care what you think.
So many brats today have no respect for their elders. Still, I can't believe you pushed the Mizukage so far.
I'm just following my path.
What a cold fish you are. You have cold eyes.
Karin, where's Danzo?
Amaterasu!
He's still close enough to catch.
Then I'm going to finish this and get past you.
Wretch, it's time for you to pay.
Right back at you.
Apologies to the Raikage, but I will be the one to finish you.
No mercy. Amaterasu!
There's no way you can beat me.
Apologies to the Raikage, but I will be the one to finish you. How do you like that?
I will defeat you, and then finish off Danzo.
Particle style, atomic dismantling jutsu!
No mercy. Amaterasu!
Apologies to the Raikage, but I will be the one to finish you.
All right, time to go after Danzo.
Mission complete.
I see. So it wasn't necessarily a fluke that you managed to defeat Deidara.
You're still alive?
Don't underestimate the Tsuchikage. I'm not beaten that easily. You fought well so far, considering your youth, but it ends here. You should be pleased. I will be pulverizing you with my particle-style jutsu.
No. I'm sorry, but please, no pulverizing. I still have business with Sasuke.
A newcomer?
Why are you here?
I came to help you, of course.
I don't need your help.
Oh, don't say that. You have to retreat for the sake of the battle to come.
That was a teleportation ninjutsu.
You're next. Go heal Sasuke. Now then.
Tsuchikage, where's Sasuke?
You're just a little too late. Sasuke is... well, ask him.
Excellent timing. The Raikage and the Kazekage. Now we have everyone but the Hokage all gathered together.
You punk! Where have you put Sasuke?
That's not important. What is important is what I'm about to say.
You can talk all you want about the Akatsuki. We won't trust a word you say.
Who are you?
Of course, introductions must come first. My name is Naruto Uchiha.
Madara?
You're Madara, you say?
That worm Danzo said so, but I'm stunned to see that you're actually still alive. You punk. What on earth are you plotting? What, are you gathering tailed beasts for fun?
The Raikage accepted. It seems you are willing to listen to what I have to say. Now then, allow me to speak about my plan and other things.
Plan?
Yes, my plan. All shall become one with me under Project Tsukinomi.
Become one? What does that mean?
The Sage of the Six Paths. I assume you know that name.
The Sage of the Six Paths? You mean the legendary ninja who is said to be the father of all ninja?
That's right. Once, the Sage of the Six Paths was revered by the people of the world as a god. Why was that? Because he saved this world from a certain monster.
Monster?
Gaara, you once held a small piece of that monster sealed within you. It is the aggregate of all the tailed beasts, an existence that possessed almost infinite chakra.
I thought the tailed beasts only went up to 9 tails.
No. They were merely the result of the Ten Tails chakra being divided into 9 parts by the Sage of the Six Paths.
I don't like where this is heading. So this is why you've been collecting tailed beasts?
The Sage of the Six Paths developed a special ninjutsu in order to protect the world from the Ten Tails. I'm sure you all know it well. The Jinchuriki sealing jutsu system. That was it. With the sealing jutsu, the Sage of the Six Paths shut the Ten Tails inside himself.
Shut inside? That means...
Exactly. The Sage of the Six Paths was the Jinchuriki of the Ten Tails.
A Jinchuriki? I understand that you are gathering tailed beasts so you can acquire the power of this Ten Tails. But what are you planning to do with that power?
Revive the Ten Tails, and become the Ten Tails Jinchuriki. I would then use that power to multiply my visual jutsu and create a new jutsu.
A new jutsu? What does that mean? What on earth are you intending?
A super genjutsu that will project my eye onto the moon's surface. An infinite Tsukuyomi. All humans living on this earth will be under my genjutsu. By controlling them all, I will unify the world. I will create a world with no bad blood, no wars. All will become one. That is Project Tsukinomi.
Insane! I'm not handing the world over to you!
Peace that exists only as illusion is just that. An illusion. Peace is only meaningful when it is legitimately achieved.
Now, in this world, there is no hope. You Five Kage should know that better than anyone. To hope is the same as giving up, and is the biggest deception of all. I have already gathered most of the tailed beasts. Things are progressing according to my wishes. There are 2 left. Hand over the remaining 2, 8 tails and 9 tails. Cooperate, or it's war.
War?
8 tails? What do you mean? You already captured me!
The 8 tails capture failed and he escaped. As a ninja, he is perfect Jinchuriki material. And he lives up to being your little brother.
That fool! So he used the opportunity to get out of the village and play hooky, huh?
So, what will you do? I'm waiting for your answer.
I will not hand over Naruto Uzumaki.
And I won't hand over my little brother.
I may not have any strength, but I do have the powers of the 7 other tailed beasts I have already collected. You have no chance of winning.
Still, we will never abandon hope.
Very well. Then I hereby declare war on you all. The 4th Great Ninja War.
fourth great ninja war? You can't mean that!
I would never say such a thing in jest. We will next meet on the battlefield.